a couple of the tunes of mine that we're going to be playing haven't really been played in a duo setting so many times, so it's going to be really nice to, I think when you play a composition in a different, with a different kind of lineup or instrumentation, it can kind of bring different things out of the music, and yeah, you can get, I think you can be very loose with things. I think if you're playing in a duo setting, especially with someone you feel like there's a lot of common ground and kind of trust musically, you can kind of take the pieces wherever the moment needs them to go. So yeah, it's going to be very fun to sort of dismantle these little, like the tunes are just these little bits of information which we can have a lot of fun improvising with. So it's going to be fun to see what direction they go in.
I think expect to hear original music and expect to hear sounds that come from other styles. And also, I mean, in terms of my pieces, some of the new compositions of mine that we're playing were all written at the beginning of the lockdown, when I went into a sort of slightly, everything else stopped, so I'm just going to go madly creative, and I wrote a lot of music, and they sort of all deal with a very similar compositional side, which is a sort of almost obsessive rhythmic thing. So if that's what you like, so obsessive rhythmically music with some melodic folky strands attached, then this will be for you.